What's going on, folks? Welcome back to the Lawn Shark channel. Yeah, putting this thing together was no joke. When I took the box apart, I'm not gonna lie, it was a little intimidating. There was a whole bunch of parts and screws and everything else, and I was kind of questioning my decision to buy this thing. But in the end, it took me about an hour to put it together. As you guys know, I've been complaining about my spreader for a long time, and I've been holding off because I really wanted to get one of these. And you know, I've seen these in several different videos. I also saw it at the GIE Expo that I went to the last couple of years, and they're just really good. They're just very expensive though, so keep that in mind for the average homeowner. It's probably overkill, to be honest with you. I mean, my yard's not that big, but somehow I bought it because I wanted it, and that's really what it comes down to. It's not that I need it, it's more that I wanted it. You know, I'm going to test it out for a little while. I've never used one, so before I say anything about like whether I like it better than something that's less expensive or not, I'll just say that, you know, it's incredibly well built. I mean, the plastic is, it's like super thick and sturdy. All of the metal parts are powder coated. I do love the fact that the wheels have air in them as opposed to the hard plastic. So and also the hopper is actually a 50-pound hopper, so it's going to hold a lot of product. And you know, typically the bigger bags of some of the fertilizer I get is 45 pounds, so I could easily dump an entire bag in there, even though my yard would never be able to use it all. But anyway, that's kind of the thing to think about with this, is that it's incredibly heavy duty. And so if you want something that's going to last a long time, I'm guessing this is the one to use. So I'll use it all throughout the season, and I'm sure I'll come back to it and tell you what I think about it. I can't imagine not loving it, simply because it is such a great product. But yeah, I'm gonna test it out. I will say this: I have nothing to do with Spyker. They did not give this to me. I went and bought it with my own money, and you know, if it's a great product, I'm gonna tell you. If there's things that I don't like about it, I'm gonna tell you. And if I think if it's overpriced, I'm gonna tell you. But for now, I needed a new spreader, and this is what I got. Which brings us to why I am doing this video. So I went through and I mowed my entire lawn. It's looking great. I'm really loving the way that everything is looking right now. You know, we're in the middle of the spring season, and it's comfortable. Obviously, I'm in shorts today, and this morning was a little bit cool, but the cool season grass loves this. So the fescue in the back is great. The perennial ryegrass is really good. The Bermuda is still not coming out of dormancy. I don't expect it to happen for at least another month or so, maybe even longer, probably closer to May at some point, which I guess is a month. Today's April 1st. So in about a month, we should be seeing things start to green up a little bit. At least that's what I'm hoping for. But until then, we're going to keep taking care of the cool season grasses. And so I get a lot of questions after my last couple videos. When is it time to start fertilizing? Well, I don't have an answer for that for you. I mean, it just depends on where you are. I've got some leftover of the Yardmastery Flagship, which is a 2601. So plenty of nitrogen and potassium and no phosphorus. We don't need any phosphorus in this part of the country, so I'm not going to worry about that anytime soon. But I do need the nitrogen. It's just that time when the Bermuda kicks in, it's going to want to have a bunch of nitrogen as well, so we might as well start putting it in there. Nitrogen is one of those things that pretty much leave your lawn within about a month or so, so you should be giving it a little bit of nitrogen all the time. I don't have a lot of this left. I'm really going to concentrate on the back, simply because that's the fescue that I want it to keep growing. The perennial ryegrass, you know, I want it to keep green as long as possible. But the Bermuda grass is really what I'm concerned with up there. So I'll probably start with the back. But if I run out and I can't finish up in the front, no big deal. So, but I think I've got plenty here for me to put in here and just spread out for the whole lawn. Start building that up throughout this part of the season, and then we'll go from there. So let's get this stuff down, and I get to finally test this thing out and tell you what I think about it first impression. So let's go. Alright folks, that's pretty much it. I've taken care of all the fertilizer. I actually had to go to Spyker's website to use their calibration calculator to figure out how much to put down because the Yardmastery bag did not have this product in there. It ended up being about a 4.5 setting on the Spyker. It's extremely smooth. You don't feel any weight. I mean, the fact that you've got these air inflated tires, it works brilliantly. So really happy with it so far. First impression is fabulous. So from here we will probably do a lot more liquid fertilization throughout the season. I just happen to like it a little bit more. It's a simpler process in the sense that I don't have to worry about watering things in. It's, you know, we're pushing everything through a hose and through water, so it kind of helps out with the hydration aspects of fertilization. I don't have to worry about burning my lawn as much, but you still have to worry about it a little bit. One of the things to keep in mind for today is I do have to water it in. That's why I turned on my sprinklers last week, so that I wouldn't have to worry about rain. Obviously it's a gorgeous day today. It's a little windy, so you know, if I had done it today and it didn't rain for a couple days, it would be a problem. But since I've got irrigation, I just got to flick that sucker on and we will be good to go. With that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of a quick review of the new spreader. And if you guys want one of these spreaders, I have a link down in the description for Amazon where I purchased this, and you guys are welcome to use that link. It is an affiliate link, so keep that in mind. But if you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to be notified of future videos, don't forget to hit that bell. We'll see you on the next one. Have a great day, everybody.